How to do quarterly taxes with TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you work as an independent contractor, a sole proprietor, a member of partnership that conducts business, or a person who otherwise runs a business as your own, you likely need to pay quarterly estimated taxes. Quarterly taxes have self-employment taxes and income taxes. The income tax is on the profits of your business and other income. Now, to do quarterly taxes with TurboTax, you want to log into your TurboTax account. Now, navigate to Other Tax Situations, then select W4 and Estimated Taxes. TurboTax will guide you to estimate your income, deductions, credits, and tax liability for the next year. Enter your expected income, deductions, and credits. TurboTax will calculate your total tax liability and divide it into 4 quarterly payments. Once TurboTax calculates your quarterly taxes, you can print Form 1040 ES payment vouchers or pay online. If your state also requires quarterly taxes, TurboTax will notify you and guide you through estimating and paying state estimated taxes. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.